Sink faucet extension and sprayer.
premiumbeat.com.
The water valve is connected to the faucet, and the water can be freely switched through the faucet or the sprayer. Excellent product for washing your hair, pets, dishes, or just about anything in the sink. No more inconvenience from two short pipes and not enough taps. Easy installation. Portable sink spray attachment can stretch up to 118 inches. The sink faucet sprayer has 3 spray modes, while the handheld shower also has on/off buttons to control the flow of water with one click. It builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. It is the latest Korean design treatment technology for non-invasive body slimming and sculpting. It builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. High-intensity pulsed electromagnetic stimulation offers continuous muscle contraction without muscle relaxation, therefore allowing the muscle to work at its maximum capacity. These extreme contraction conditions require the muscle to adapt and develop muscular mass over the treated area while burning fat. Clinical studies report an average fat reduction of 19% associated with an increase in muscle mass of 16% during the treatment, consisting of 4 to 6 sessions, spaced every 2 to 3 days. Treatment areas include abdomen, buttocks, arms, and thighs.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.